In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a header and footer in Wix. This quick and simple guide will help you customize your site and ensure it looks just the way you envision. Let's dive in. When you first create your website using Wix, you'll notice that a header and footer are added by default. These are essential parts of your site, as they provide a consistent look across all its pages and offer a handy space for contact information, navigation menus, and more. To get started, open the Wix editor and access the page where you want to customize your header and footer. You'll see that these areas are clearly delineated at the top and bottom of your page layout. Let's start with the header. Click directly on the header area and you'll notice a panel appears on the right side. This is your control panel where you can modify its appearance, design, and elements. A crucial step is to explore the design section. Here, you can choose a background color, design, or even add an image that fits well with your brand. Remember, consistency matters, so choose elements that complement your overall theme. Next, it's time to add some functionality. Using the Add button on the left side of the editor, you can insert elements like text, buttons, or even a menu. To add a navigation menu, drag and drop it into the header and link it to the pages you want your visitors to access. Moving on to the footer, this is another important section because it commonly holds important links, contact info, and social media buttons. Just like with the header, click on the footer to open its settings in the panel. Here, you can adjust the design to match your header or use contrasting colors for a different visual impact. Within the settings panel, you'll see options to add elements. Adding text is a great way to include copyright information, while buttons or links are perfect for providing easy access to your terms of service, privacy policy, or contact page. Don't forget, the footer is a great place to add social media links, ensuring your visitors can easily follow or connect with you. Always make sure to save your changes regularly. After customizing your header and footer, preview your site to see how these elements look on different devices. Wix offers a responsive design feature, so you can ensure everything looks balanced and functional on both desktop and mobile views. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add and edit headers and footers in Wix, enhancing your site's navigability and professionalism. I hope you found these instructions helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy editing.